Who's your guy? All right, today this video is going to be about the kind of bank accounts you should have. What's going to be your main bank account, your other bank accounts and all that. Well, it differs for different people, but what I would like to advise you is this. Of course, we have different generations of banks in Nigeria, all right? This is just street talk, all right? So it's good to have an account in one of those older banks, the First Bank, the Union Bank, those older ones. I'll tell you when those things coming, all right? And you can also have an account with second generation banks, the GT, the Zenith, and those access those in those generations. Then of course you can have accounts with even the new banks, the online banks, the OPay, Money Point, and all that. You can have accounts with them. You can even have a microfinance bank, microfinance account, all right? So at least if you have about 4 or 5 accounts, all right, you're good to go. It doesn't mean that one cannot carry everything. One can, all right? But then it's good to have, several accounts for leverage. You may use some for savings. You may use some for day-to-day transaction. You may use some maybe if for business and all that, because there's some people when they hear some banks name, they feel more comfortable, like okay, they want to pay this kind of money into this bank because of the credibility of the bank or the longevity of the bank. There's some people that when they hear this name, they feel like, oh, it's a tech bank. It's easy for them because there's a lot of technology. All right. There's some people when they hear some other account, they feel very free that you can transfer easily, and they know maybe the OPay, the new ones now, the OPay and the rest. Remember, these banks are not inferior. They are new. Some of the banks we trust today started like this years ago, and right now we have this one starting now, and in the next few years you'll be amazed what they've become. All right. So if you have this spread of banks for different purposes, you know what to do at every point in time and what works at every point in time. And Nigeria is a country whereby one bank can fail or a set of banks can fail. And you want to make a transaction, so if everything is stuck in one bank, you may be stuck as well. All right. But when you have options, either to pay or to receive, very important also to receive, all right, it's going to be very helpful. So who's your guy? You have your main guy, your main bank, your side guy, or your buddy, or your other guy. So your accounts can be different things for you, all right? So if you don't have any of them, some of them are easy to open. Some of them can even start opening them online. So that some of them are very good for businesses when you start a new things like Providence and the rest. Of course, this is not a paid ad. I'm just, getting out the names so you can take advantage of what they have to offer for now, Wema and the rest, all right? So you can take advantage of these things and know who is your real guy.